Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to learn the sit-ups with the help of the couch, and eventually as you practice it more and more you should be able to do it without the couch. So let's get started. Go in front of the couch and slide your feet under the couch and lock them under the couch. Go down. Make sure your core is tight, because when you are lifting up your body, you are not using your shoulders or your legs. The only part of your body which is used is your core. So when you are lifting up, this should be very tight, and as you lift up, you are working on your core muscles. So let's get started. Make sure your feet are locked and come up like this. Okay? Your feet are locked all the time, and your core is working or helping you getting up. Okay, so this is how you can practice and learn sit-ups. So I'm going to show you, once you practice that, how you can do it without the couch, which is a regular sit-ups. Okay, I've shown you both forms. So practice at home whenever you get even 5 minutes. Try to practice with the couch, and as you do more and more, you will get better at it and you will not be needing the couch eventually. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like it. Bye bye. Take care.